Singapore Airlines. Your safety is of utmost importance to us.
As we prepare for departure, please take note of the safety features of our aircraft.
For your comfort and safety, ensure that your hand luggage is securely stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you.
For taxi, takeoff and landing, large portable electronic devices such as laptops and notebooks must be stowed.
Secure your tray table and put your seat upright. Store your in-seat video screen, handset, and footrest. Keep window shades raised and your footwear on.
Fasten your seatbelt and tighten it. Keep seatbelts fastened when seated. To release, lift this catch. When the seatbelt sign is on and if you're not at your seat, you should return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Infants should be lifted from the bassinet and held in arms with the infant seatbelt fastened.
In the unlikely event that cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will automatically deploy. Pull the mask towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Strap it over your head and tighten it. Breathe normally. It is normal that the oxygen bag may not fully inflate. Please ensure to adjust your own mask before assisting others. In case of an emergency, put your seat upright. Fasten your seatbelt and place your feet flat on the floor. Lean forward as far as possible and lock your arms in position. Should there be a need to use the life vest, retrieve it from under or between your seats. Remove the plastic cover. Slip the life vest over your head and bring the straps around your waist. Connect the clip and pull to tighten. Inflate only when leaving through the emergency exit by pulling on the red tabs. To inflate it further, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In the unlikely event of evacuation, follow the escape path lighting to the nearest exit. Emergency exits are fitted with slides used for land evacuation or as rafts on water. Remove any high-heeled footwear prior to using the slide. Do not take your personal belongings with you, as this will slow down your evacuation. Please refer to the safety information card for more details. Passengers seated at the emergency exit doors may be called upon to assist the cabin crew.
Smoking is strictly prohibited on all our flights. Thank you for your attention.
And have a pleasant flight.
Flight. Simply send and receive text and multimedia messages or access the mobile internet on your smartphone whenever this cabin sign is off. This service has been thoroughly tested and certified. Mobile usage on this flight will not interfere with aircraft systems. Using your mobile phone on this flight is similar to using roaming services abroad. Charges are billed directly by your mobile service provider. To get started, switch on your mobile phone and wait for the on-air network signal to appear. Check that your mobile phone is not set to flight mode. When sending a text or multimedia message, remember to add plus and the country code before the phone number. Please be considerate towards your fellow passengers. turn your phone to silent mode. Wireless internet access is also available on this flight. Simply enable Wi-Fi on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. And select the on-air hotspot. Then launch your web browser and sign up to purchase an internet session. It's just like connecting to a public Wi-Fi hotspot. Please comply with cabin crew's instructions on when electronic devices must be switched off. For more details, refer to the leaflet in your seat pocket. Stay in touch on Singapore Airlines.